Yo, hello guys and welcome back again for a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use AI for K-pop. So we're gonna use ChatGPT in order to create us like text about K-pop, and we're gonna use even Midjourney to create us, for example, an image for like group. So let's try first ChatGPT. So let's go first to OpenAI and then click on this button which is try. After that, I will go to this page in basically guys, what you have to do is sign into your account using Gmail, Facebook, or Twitter. Now, can you write me a text about K-pop? As you can see now, I will just wait for it until it finishes its work. Now I will go to the second website, which is Midjourney. So here guys, you only need to do one thing, is sign in using your Discord account, give the authorization, and just like so, go to Discord and open your account. After that, you will have the server of Midjourney added to your list of servers. So here it goes. Basically, now what I'm going to do is go to one of these rooms, so new by 111, and I will go to here slash imagine prompts. For example, K-pop group, for example, uh, BTS K-pop group drawn in anime style, high quality 8K, for example. So I will just keep it like that. I will go here, just wait for it until it starts. So while it's generating the image, I will go back to ChatGPT. So here guys, this is the text that we asked about K-pop. So K-pop sort of Korean pop music, is a genre of popular music, etc. And you can see here all the informations, how much money the industry is valued. So it is over like 5 billion USD, which is really huge amount of money. And as you can see here, if you went back to to Midjourney, it is actually making us the images of BTS using anime style. So let's go down, I think. It must be generated. Yes, here it is. So this is the K-pop like group that we made using Midjourney. I don't know if they look like BTS group members, but I mean they got the idea. Yeah, that's how you can use AI actually for K-pop. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and see ya in the next tutorial.